In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Notion templates without a huge social media following by sharing 5 tips for passive income. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just dipping your toes into the world of digital products, gaining traction without a large audience can seem daunting. Luckily, there are effective strategies you can implement today to start generating income from your Notion templates, even if you don't have a significant following. Let's dive in. First, let's leverage niche marketplaces. These are platforms tailored to specific audiences, and tapping into them can simplify reaching potential customers. Unlike generic marketplaces, niche platforms are filled with individuals actively looking for what you're offering. Consider sites where users seek productivity tools or digital assets. By listing your Notion templates in these spaces, you're directly connecting with an audience interested in efficiency and organization. This approach increases your chances of making sales without the need for a large social media presence. Next, it's crucial to focus on SEO rather than solely on followers. Optimizing your content for search engines allows people to find your templates organically. Start by researching relevant keywords that potential customers might use when searching for Notion templates. Utilize these keywords in your product descriptions, titles, and tags. The goal is to ensure that when someone searches for productivity Notion templates or organizational Notion layouts, your creations appear among the top results. This helps you attract buyers without relying on social media's unpredictable algorithms. Our third tip is to use micro-communities. Online forums, niche Facebook groups, or small subreddits can be a goldmine for finding interested buyers. Engage genuinely with these communities by providing valuable insights, answering questions, or sharing how you use Notion. By establishing yourself as a knowledgeable and helpful resource, members are more likely to check out your templates and make a purchase, all while deepening your connections within niche spaces. Offering a freebie funnel is another powerful strategy. By giving away a free version of your template, you can entice people to try it risk-free. Many users who appreciate the value you provide with a freebie are likely to explore your premium products as well. Think of this as a sample that showcases the quality and usefulness of your work. Create an email list where people sign up to receive the freebie. Then nurture this list with engaging, value-driven content that includes offers to purchase more advanced templates. Lastly, design once and earn forever. This is the beauty of digital products. Once you've created a versatile and valuable template, it can be sold an infinite number of times without additional cost. This means a single well-designed template could potentially bring in revenue for years. Focus on creating high-quality, customizable, and applicable templates that cater to your audience's needs. By implementing these strategies, you'll position yourself to sell Notion templates successfully without the need for a huge social media following. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!